Hey everybody, Jay with LMR.com. Today we're going to be going over some of the basics when it comes to tuning up your Mustang. These same steps can be used on many vehicles. Today we're working on our 2004 Comp Orange GT behind me in the shop. We'll be covering the following: air and fuel filters, oil change, spark plugs, and the PCV valve. These combined together will help you bring your pony back to the way it should be. With this tune-up, we started with the battery. Seeing the terminals were corroded, we took a little extra time and decided to clean these up. Then, we disconnected the negative battery terminal. Spray down the engine bay thoroughly with compressed air to make sure there is no dirt and debris. Starting up top, we will work on the spark plugs first. Disconnect all 8 coil harness connectors from the coils. We also disconnected all 8 injector harnesses to free up a little extra room when doing this procedure. Once the coils have been pulled from the engine bay, take out all 8 of the spark plugs. We use this opportunity to do a compression check on the engine. You can check out this process on the link below. We gapped all of the plugs to 52 to 56 thousandths and added a small amount of anti-seize on the threads. And make sure to torque to specification. Moving under the car, lift the vehicle securely using your lift or using jacks and jack stands. Locate the oil pan drain plug, and then drain all the oil from the pan. Reinstall the drain plug, remove the filter, clean the filter housing, and reinstall the new filter with a light coat of oil on the rubber O-ring. Top off your oil with the recommended amount shown in your owner's manual. Verify the levels using your dipstick and make sure everything is correct. Now we'll be moving to the PCV valve. Remove the vacuum tube from the top of the PCV valve in your application. This Mustang had a heated PCV, so disconnect the electrical connector if equipped. Twisting in a counterclockwise motion, remove the PCV valve from the valve cover. Reinstall the new PCV, the electrical connection, and the vacuum tube. Moving to the air filter, locate the filter. On our application, it was in the inner fender well on the passenger side. Remove the filter from the tube. Our cold air on this Mustang had a cheap aftermarket filter that was not reusable. We chose to toss this one in the trash and use a quality reusable option from our friends at BBK. Reinstall the filter and fully tighten it down. Also, while we had this off the vehicle, we chose to take the time to clean the mass airflow unit. Check out the video on the link below. On the rear of the car, we also are servicing the fuel filter. As you can see in our application, we had this one held in place by a zip tie. So we cut this one off and installed a clamp back on to hold this one in place. Using your fuel disconnect tool, release the tabs on both sides of the filter and discard the old filter. Reinstall the new fuel filter with the arrow facing the engine bay. Also, fully seat both of the lines back to the filter, make sure they fully engage. Doing a basic tune-up on your car can really help you gain every bit of power your Mustang should be making. All of these steps shown can be done in your driveway in an afternoon. Following your owner's manual and these service intervals can really help your Mustang last a lifetime. You can get these parts from us here at LMR.com. As always, make sure to like our channel, subscribe, turn on notifications, and as always, keep it here with the real Mustang enthusiasts at LMR.com.